This super indicator is calling a massive rally. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about a Lux Algo buy signal that has just shown up on the daily chart for Bitcoin. Historically, every single time in the last several years that this bullish flash has shown up, Bitcoin has gone into a rally, and normally that rally has been at least double-digit percentage points, if not triple-digit percentage points. The last time we saw this rally was the day after BlackRock announced their ETF, and Bitcoin would subsequently rally by over $5,000. So today we're going to be discussing whether or not this buy signal from Lux Algo is indicating that we are about to see a massive rally on Bitcoin. I believe that if this signal confirms with a green close by the end of this day, that we are in for a major rally starting at some point in the next 7 days, probably within just the next 24 hours. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Today we will be discussing Lux Algo. This is the absolute best technical indicator money could buy. If you go to their website, you can use Lux Algo 30 for 30% off on your first order. But if you use JEB30, J-E-B-B 30, you'll get 30% off on every single month's payment, not just the first month. So make sure to sign up for Lux Algo using coupon code JEB30, J-E-B-B 30 for 30% off at checkout. If you stack that with the annual plan, you can save nearly $500. Let's get started. The Lux Algo buy signal, one of the most powerful technical indicators that you can possibly find in all of cryptocurrency TA. There's a very simple strategy that I use with this that I would like to explain to you, and it goes a little something like this. Lux Algo has two parts of its premium indicator that I believe work very well together. It's trend catcher and its buy and sell signals. When trend catcher is green and you have a buy signal, I consider that a confirmed buy signal. When you have a red trend catcher followed by a sell signal, or a sell signal followed by red trend catcher, your order doesn't really matter, just so long as you have both in play at the same time. When you have a confirmed signal, i.e. you have both the trend catcher and the signal agreeing, then that's where you have a high likelihood of a major movement in that direction. And historical analysis on every single time frame shows us that this is accurate at least 60% of the time. Oftentimes it can be accurate as often as 80 to 90% of the time, making it a very important signal, and a signal that often denotes that a new trend has begun. Looking at every single confirmed buy signal so far this year in Bitcoin, we can see that traditionally, they lead Bitcoin through major rallies. The first buy signal would lead us 41% to the upside. The second buy signal, 12%. The third buy signal, 35%. The fourth buy signal, not so much, about 3%. The fifth buy signal, we saw Bitcoin rally by about 20%. This buy signal was not confirmed by trend catcher, so it is null and void. And now we have another buy signal right here. I'm breezing through those buy signals and giving you generalizations because it's not really important exactly down to the percentage how much the market rallied. I just wanted to show you that oftentimes, most oftentimes, Lux Algo signals are accurate, and they are very accurate, and they have called every single one of the uptrends that we've seen so far this year, and pretty much in every year past. So with that, today, we finally see a buy signal with green trend catcher. Finally, this is something that we've been looking for quite some time. We saw a buy signal on Tuesday, August the 29th, not long ago, but it was never confirmed by trend catcher, so we were not able to use it as a confirmed signal. By the way, I do want to note that this signal has not confirmed fully because the candlestick is not closed. This signal could disappear later on today if Bitcoin goes through a correction before this daily chart candlestick closes. But if Bitcoin does close up here above about $27,000, or if Bitcoin closes tomorrow above $27,000, this buy signal will be locked in. So what does that mean? Well, after a day has passed and this buy signal has been confirmed and it has actually locked in, we'll get a take profit. As you can see, we have stop losses right here. We'll have a take profit up here that will tell us about how far Lux Algo is predicting the market is going to move. That take profit will likely show up somewhere right around here, and we'll check back in tomorrow on Coffee and Crypto if it's flashed to see whether that is accurate. Lux Algo is telling us that very likely Bitcoin would rally to that take profit zone that it's going to show, and there is a high likelihood that we will end up rallying to at least $28,000 because of this buy signal. That gives an excellent trade opportunity for anyone who wants to trade the difference because you're interested in trading the breakout above this downtrending level of resistance that we are in the process of breaking as well, and you want to make profit by trading all the way up here. So how do you do that? Where would your entry be? I think using a holistic approach to our technical analysis here is key, and one of the levels that I'm also looking for is a break above this line right here. That is the 100 daily simple moving average. That moving average, I believe, is the boundary, the demarcation between the bearish action that we've seen down at these levels and the bullish action that we could see above them. With green trend catcher, with breaking this downtrend, and if we're able to break above the 100 daily simple moving average, that's a moving average that we've rejected off of several times as of late. You can see we rejected off of it here in August. We also rejected off of it about a week ago. If we break through that level, that will, in my book, confirm an uptrend, and then we could enter into a trade around 27.5, rallying all the way up to about 28.7, which is about a 4.3% movement. Extrapolating the trend line forward, we can see that it may look something like this, and that gives us a long position where we could open around 27.5, very tight stop loss, and then a take profit right below 28.850. That would give us about a 4x risk-reward ratio and a trade setup with, these are kind of dummy numbers, but with specific numbers that you can come up with on your own, based on your own expertise in trading and technical analysis. There's definitely a trade here that is very, very profitable, especially if that Lux Algo buy signal confirms. Not too interested in giving you the exact trade setup. I would rather teach you the principles and you get the practice of doing it on your own, but I did give you basically the numbers that you're going to want to look at, but I would recommend tweaking those with the expertise and technical knowledge that you have accrued over your career here in cryptocurrency. If you haven't done that yet, then feel free to sign up for Club DeFi's Principles of Technical Analysis. You can find that with the link in the description box down below, and that's where I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know to get a strong start in TA so that you can become a trader, investor, or enthusiast that understands what the markets are doing, why they're doing it, and where the markets are going to go next. Again, I showed you the track record of Lux Algo. If you're not already sold, I would highly encourage you to go to luxalgo.com and you can look around the website and you'll see tons and tons and tons of testimonials about how incredible of a product it is. I've been personally using it for over 3 years. I am a personal friend of the creator of Lux Algo, and while you might think that gives me a bias, even if I didn't know him, I would still continue using the product, and because I know him, it actually makes me more confident in the product, because I actually think he's a really stand-up guy, and I think he really cares a whole lot about the community. So shout out to him, and shout out to you guys who are using Lux Algo every single day. Consider signing up for it using coupon code JEB30, J-E-B-B, 30% off at checkout, and make yourself some profit with one of the best technical indicators in the entire game. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join our Discord server. Our Discord server is absolutely popping off right now. A ton of people over there talking all day long about TA and trading and setups. A lot of activity going on. I'm active in there right now, so make sure to sign up with the link in the description box down below as well. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.